What is up? Today we have another demo of a really it's a cheap fan fountain. I say cheap, it's 20 bucks for something that's only about the size of my hand. But we have Magic Seashell from TNT. A lot of people bought this the first year it came out and said it was really impressive. So I wanted to try it this year for 2024. $19.99 for this. And it's really cool to have a cheap fan effect fountain. I'm trying to look for a performance thing. Here's some photos. We got green with silvery dragon, silvery rain, red and green with silvery crackles, green and snow pine, golden rain, red and yellow with silvery crackles. So we'll see if it lives up to the hype, but I'm excited to try this one out. I've not had fan fountains in my show for a while, and this year I have two. I have this and the Freedom Star, which if you haven't already seen, will be uploaded later this day. And I have no idea, as of the filming of this, I'm filming it just before lighting all my fireworks, when I'm going to upload these demos. I kind of just randomly put them out. So, let's go ahead and go light this up. Magic Seashell by TNT. Pretty cheap little fan fountain. 20 bucks. Fish! Look at that. A little bit of fish. Focus, focus, focus. There we go, a lot better. Burning.